Hello everyone, this video is for my AEP 800 class where I'm introducing new forms of technology that caught my eye. One that I'm going to talk about today is called Goosechase. Uh, it looks really cool. I basically stumbled upon it, did some investigation, and thought, wow, this is something I would really love to do in my classroom. It allows you to create scavenger hunts for your students. And besides doing it for your students, you could even do it with other staff members at your school or other schools in your district and kind of make it a challenge. Um, well, I can't really show you a finished project as I don't have an actual classroom. I can go through the steps that it takes to actually set it up. What you can do as well is you can have students do it individually or in pairs or groups. You can assign different challenges or clues, things they have to find or discover, and then they have to send you videos or pictures through this app of them doing it. It's really great use of challenges. It relates to ISTE for students 3A, knowledge constructor, um, for basically employing research planning and exploring research strategies. Another great thing about it too is that if COVID was still going on, which I hope it's not, you could even have students do this from their home if they couldn't go outside or, partner up, things like that. Just to show you a little bit about it, you go to Goosechase, you sign up, it is free. They let you upload an image so that basically it's really easy for your students to identify that that's yours besides the name and the descriptor. For example, I named mine Ready, Set, Explore. Um, the description I just made one up. How many hexagon or trapezoid shapes can you find around you? Game location, you don't have to do that. You can put a password so that only your students and yourself or those you give the password to, for example, other teachers in your grade, can go and look at it so it keeps it really safe for the students. So, for example, I'm going to put a password. My password is just going to be AEP Technology. See if that works. Okay, so we go to save and continue, and there it lets you make your first mission. So you could also see ones that you've previously done if you wanted to show it to other educators. Let's say after I had already made one, then I would make a video like this to show to my colleagues, to my peers, to give them ideas of how to use it in their classroom. Another great way to do this as well would be if you wanted to actually do this with a classroom in another country. So kind of a scavenger hunt, a foreign kind of scavenger hunt where they could do it with your students. I think that would be really neat. And you could also learn about each other's cultures. So that would relate to IST for students. 7, global collaboration. 7A, which is where you connect with learners of other backgrounds and cultures. So maybe one of your items could be like, show the most popular breakfast food of your country. And so it would kind of just be a fun way to share as well, and really great for collaboration. Let's see, mission name. We'll just kind of go over one really quick. Finding shapes, description, finding shapes around you. It's pretty easy to do. Points value. Oh, because the students can get points. So let's go with 500. All right. So then I went ahead and created the mission. So then later I would actually go through and make up more information. I would make a script. I would put my student participants and start and stop times. I could go through and see how they were doing, how far ahead they had gotten, and I could look at their submissions. So I think this is a really great tool, and I hope you like it.